gonna learn it. Hi everybody, hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay. Welcome back. So in today's video, I actually wanted to do something a little bit different. Wanted to do something more of a everyday easy makeup tutorial, just because it's more realistic. Not everyone has, 50 minutes to do an eyeshadow with like 20 colors. I usually don't wear makeup like every day. The only times that I wear makeup is when I do have a family event or I do go somewhere, but I'm pretty much a no makeup kind of girl to like full glam. I'm not in between, but I feel like this is like an in-between look that you can do, something really easy, simple. Just put on a lip, mascara, a little bit of eyeliner, blush, you're good to go. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the NYX Angel Veil primer, and we're gonna go ahead and prep our face for foundation. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move to foundation. We're using L'Oreal Paris Infallible foundation, and we're going to go ahead and buff this all over the skin. Here I'm using the Morphe Beauty Sponge to blend the foundation all over the skin. And I know that sometimes we are in a bit of a hurry, but please do not forget your forehead like I did. But do not worry, I do end up blending the foundation by the end of the video. I mean, this is real life, right? Okay, now to concealer, I am using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the color Sand. And with the concealer, we're going to go ahead and cover up all the dark circles and lighten up the face. Next, we're using the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in the color Light Medium to set the foundation and concealer. Just go ahead and buff this all over the face. Next, we are using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow pomade in medium brown to fill in our eyebrows. Next, I'm using the Cheeky Sweet Spot Box of Blushes from Benefit, and I'm using the Hoola bronzer to bronze the face. With the same Hoola bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and place this all over the crease of the eye just to give the eye a bit of dimension. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and move to eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner in black, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a small wing. mascara. If you guys do not have this mascara or haven't tried it, you need to. This mascara is bomb. Let's go ahead and move to blush. I am using the Wet n Wild blush in the color Mellow Wine. This blush is really pigmented, so just make sure you go in with the light hand. Now moving to highlight, I am using STILLA highlight in the color Bronze. And I'm using my finger here just because the brush wasn't picking up the color the way I wanted it to. And with the same highlight, I'm using this to highlight my brow bone. As well as the inner corner of the eye. And finally, I am coating my bottom lashes with mascara. And now we're moving to the lips. I am using NYX lip liner in the color Peekaboo Neutral to line my lips. Finish setting spray to lock my makeup. Alright guys, so this completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Just click the little button down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. We are chillaxing. Oh.